Right, abandoned city. Once again, we turn around, walk away, and then we find something else. Richie and the boys over there thought they just found something. We've just come from their control tower just there. And we've only gone to find a air raid shelter. Accessible as well. There you go, Sonia's in it to win it. I think, if I'm not right, somebody can correct me on here, are these called Stanton shelters?
That's what that is over there, then that's collapsed.
Right, okay. I think these are called actually Stanton shelters from what I was reading up on. I'm not too sure, someone can correct me. No, these things are called Stanton shelters, air raid shelters.
Right. Oh wow.
You've got Anderson shelters which were used by the civilians, yeah, in back gardens and stuff.
Right. You all right with that, yeah? Right there. You found it, so.
So yeah, it's I heard about. Yeah, we need light. Yeah. So from what you know, yeah, O-light. Watch this O-light. It's amazing.
Oh no,
I've seen it.
It ain't that bad in there actually. It ain't that bad.
Does somebody want to bring in the beast? You need a good light in here to film it though.
It was going in.
Are you gimbaling? You filming, Kev?
Yeah.
Cool. Once he comes in with this O-light, there you go, people. Look at that. Not too bad in here either. It's true, yeah. Quite a good place to do wanted, wouldn't it? Yeah. Hideaway. Maybe some of you explorers should go on the programme. Yeah, wanted, because come on, as explorers, you know enough places you can sneak away and hide for a month. That's the old skate hatch.
This is like the one, Kev, that we saw when we were out at the other place.
Yes.
When we couldn't get down.
Yeah, the hunting and all that.
Yeah,
you were, yeah.
I've got some great photos of you two there going there.
Right.
Nothing written on in here.
I haven't seen, because O-light is the kind of thing where you look for graffiti.
Let me get mine out as well.
Yeah, yeah,
So
just added more light, yeah. I
Put
might.
it back on. I can't see. Let's have a look.
Right, there you go, Peach. We're just having a look now for graffiti.
So another place we went to, we found some.
The farmer, actually, we asked permission to go in these things. He told us where the graffiti would be. And when I mean graffiti, I mean like written in pencil, the people who built the base and the people who was there.
So this is, can't see it, but it's a real good nick, isn't it?
Yeah.
The one we got from Barney's, a lot of them were in good nick, weren't they?
Well, yeah.
There's plenty of gnats in here as well. And a few little mates.
There are, isn't there? That's what's biting me.
There are loads of gnats.
My hair's getting all itchy and I was like...
It's coming out now.
So we've not found no graffiti yet, have we?
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I will leave it just the way we found it.
Yep. This little metal bit just there, look. I wonder what that was used for. Right. I wonder what that was used for.
Door or something, area.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. See here, look, there's another one that's been knocked down. See this, look? That pile there, it's been knocked down.
Yeah, I think over there where I said, Kieran, there was something like some sandbags or something, and there's like a whole bit over in that corner there, but it's all collapsed, so you ain't going to get in it.
Right, okay, okay. But you can tell this was,
yeah.
Yeah?
You know.
And we get round the corner. Hold on to suspense. Oh.
Basically, I mean,
Yeah.
this wood,
Yeah.
back in the day, this,
Wouldn't have been here.
these trees, looking at these trees, are about 50, 60 years old.
They've grown up since. What we noticed on the other RAF bases, which we got permission to go on, all the trees have grown up since then.
Yeah.
So you always know now to look in the forests when looking at RAF stuff.
You're filming, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. So that hence is why that was over there. So all along this tree line, then maybe because going back in there as well, it digs right down. I mean, it's going right down. You know, like
Some of the base, find these Stanton shelters, a lot of them stayed. A lot of the prefabs they got rid of.
Yeah.
But if you think this the circumference of this base, it's quite large, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really large.
Well, over in that corner there, there's definitely something going on because I mean it goes
Yeah.
right down.
See, the road would have come out here as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a massive, massive base. See that just there?
Great find.
See it?
Yeah.
That's another one. Look. Or was that a sewer outlet? It's a ditch, isn't it? With the wood that had been there during the war days. It is the drainage, isn't it? Airfield drainage. Oh no. Yeah, look at that. Nice little pipes and everything.
No, I want.
There's a mound there. There's another one collapsed.
Yeah,
Look.
there's loads of them all throughout here.
Right, so that one's there, people. There's one just there. Another Stanton shelter.
Go in and just have a look.
Yep. We'll have to see what Richie and get the boys to do the stuff I can't. Kev, remember if you're full, it's 250 quid. It's actually a building, isn't it, that one? It's not a shelter, it's a building. Yeah, it's quite thick.
So what was here? Anyone's guess, really.
Yeah. But yeah, yet again, a building.
Yeah.
Substantial building.
It would have been great to know what this was. Can't see any. It was a fair size, whatever.
And that baby's got.
It's looking interesting.
It's looking interesting because it hasn't got windows. It's got slits in it.
Yeah.
I see a mound there. I see a mound there. Da, 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 da. Galileo, Galileo. I'm glad I bought the walking stick.
Yeah, I'll bet.
This ground's a bit uneven and everything.
In place, isn't it?
Yeah, my feet and toes last night. After I bent that toe last night. Oh, all night I was in my.
In pain.
Yeah, I was in quite a lot of pain. Yeah. The boys are doing the outside perimeter in case they find more along the edge line there. I think a lot of that's been knocked down there. This is interesting. Bunker, bunker, bunker! Right, this one is a big personnel bunker. It's the biggest personnel bunker I've seen on one of these sites yet, which is still in good tackness. I spotted this yesterday, didn't I, Sonia?
Yeah.
From half a mile, a quarter of a mile away. I just see like darkness and air holes going through, and I was like, right, what's that then? Oh, that's a bit steep there. You see this here, look, this brick thing?
Yeah.
So, is that the road or path? Can you hold that down for me as well? Right. Oh, okay. Oh, ouch, ouch. There's a path here, look. It goes all the way around there.
That is mad.
Massive, isn't it?
Quite. These are the holes I saw, Sonia. Where it went all the way through, look. That's why I was seeing air gaps in it yesterday. Look at that. This is a nice one, isn't it? Now, I'm not sure if these were bomb storage areas now or personnel areas. I'd say bomb storage. Yeah, these are bomb storage or something. Yeah, again, if somebody knows more than we do, feel free to. Yeah, I did see that.
It's curved at the end.
Yeah. Oh, right, shells. Yeah, right, getcha. So yeah, these were bomb. Richie's just found an old shell casing. Yeah. I see it coming in. Just thought it was a metal pipe. Oh right, they've got like the generator air vent room things in it. So, and you can walk all the way through. Oh. I'm going to have to go back. I'll go back and do the easy way.
This is another one of those shelters, isn't
No,
it?
no, no,
it's
no.
not.
See, it goes round here like mud.
Yeah.
That's called barrowing, yeah? It's like a barrow of mud. Yeah, it's like for when the bombs land,
Yeah.
you've got all this mud all the way around the sides here, and it's like a protection.
Right.
Yeah, so it's like a blast wall, mud blast wall. And the reason that's like that, just there, because that's your brick entrance in, so it's just extra support. Right. So it won't be a part of the Stanton shelter, it's just...
Kind of similar though, isn't it? That first
The
bit.
yeah, the look of it.
I see what you're saying, yeah.
Right, you guys can go through there because you'll get these. I need to go the easy way because you can get all the way through, but it goes up a bit of a hill.
I think that's definitely a shell casing.
Yeah, I do as well.
Just
Because this is definitely a bomb storage area.
yeah, I've left it picked up against the side.
There you go, peeps. Oh, that could actually be a fire
Do you
extinguisher.
reckon? I was just looking at the curve on it. I don't know.
Right, I'm going to do this next one. Yeah.
Just a quick peek in it.
Right.
See in there?
That's
That
just,
is- that is
that's
just
just
a-
a brick. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. That's just where the rabbits have gone in and warrened it. Oh, Sonia's probably fat me. Right. Yeah. I think I can get through this bit. This one's still got its electrical box on the outside. Soup free Supplix, whatever it's called. Let's have a look inside. Oh no. Nope, you can't get inside. It's stiff. There you go, peeps, there's your little electrical box. Oh, am I getting caught up? Holes, beware, look.
Oh, yeah.
Mind yourself. Oh, sorry. So we're doing D&B when you're doing the music overlay? You're doing D&B or house when you do the overlay?
It's normally just commercial at the moment.
When on over the overlay on this gimbal.
Huh?
Music overlay.
Oh, the just that sort of stuff or that kind of thing.
So I noticed that other one you did. It was like a sort of drum and bassy.
Yeah.
People loved it.
Oh yeah, you know.
Yeah, they liked it. They liked it. People were commenting and they liked the tune.
Music that's not copyrighted.
Copyrighted, yeah. Look at that, peeps.
They've got proper
Oh,
sites.
look at the roots. It's just like, that's what you call proper like camouflage, isn't it?
It is now, yeah. After the war. And the other place is directly through them woods there. Yeah, behind them woods. So this, you see how massive
See,
this
I'm
place was.
thinking, like, yeah, all these woods have got stuff in them.
Yes.
Throughout, yeah.
Well,
yeah.
these ain't that side because we know that area. We looked in it. There's two
Right.
buildings there. Like that's how we found the rest of these.
And then it's led on to this, yeah.
Led on to that, and then prefabs over there. There might be more stuff there.
Yeah.
We stopped because you rang us. Because you rang us.
Head out there in a minute, but
Yeah.
I want to get back in that corner on the way. But if we go back that way, just to look in that corner again.
Right. Yeah.
That's probably smart, that.
Right. Just get all you guys together a minute. Look. Get a crew shot. There you go. There you go. Now I've got them on the wanted list. Here's the bribery. Banner City crew. Right, if we go directly there. Yeah. Right, I'm going to sign off because we've got to get back in the car and drive to the other side of the woods. Right, see you again soon. Bye.